Hi Ash class, time for another story. Now yesterday I went into school and somebody asked me if we could have a story today about a rocket, and I thought, I know just the book that I've got at home. This one is called Zoom Rocket Zoom. Look, Emeralds, at those ooh sounds. And this at the end here is called an exclamation mark. And we use that when somebody is crying something out, they're shouting it out. It's going, wow! It's really enthusiastic. So zoom, rocket zoom. Okay, see whether you can use any when you're doing writing. Should we find out where the rocket goes? Zoom, Rocket Zoom by Margaret Mayo and Alex Iliff. Mighty rockets are good at zoom, zoom, zooming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and lift off. Launching, ooh, up they go zooming, blasting into space. Wow. Clever astronauts are good at guiding, watching the controls and waiting, then pow! Booster rockets firing, travelling deep in space. Exciting. Lunar modules are good at tricky moon landings. They leave the spaceship swooping, descending, spidery legs ready for bam! Safe landing, touching down in space. Excited astronauts are good at moonwalking, bouncing, bounding, oops, no falling, as they scoop up the moon rocks, carefully collecting. They can work in space. Moon buggies are good at rolling, round wheels turning, soft dust gripping, across the humpy lumpy moon, bumpety bumping, driving up into space. Wow, I think it'd be really exciting to go on a moon buggy. Space shuttles are good at big loads moving. They hurtle upwards, booming, thundering, off to a space station for fast unloading, carrying tools through space. Space stations are good places for living, somewhere for eating, working and sleeping, and whoopee, weightless somersaulting, a home while up in space. Bold astronauts are good at spacewalking. They have fun, arms waving, slowly moving, almost dancing, and they can work, building and repairing, floating up in space. Look at that. They're fixing it. Space satellites are good at round the Earth orbiting, taking pictures for weather forecasting, signals receiving and whiz to TVs beaming, circling up in space. When they're orbiting, they're going round and round and round our planet. Robot spacecraft are good at speeding. Emeralds, look, there's our E sound. Powered by the sun, they keep on flying, reaching distant planets and even landing, moving fast through space. Robot rovers are good at roaming. They trundle over Mars, searching, measuring, red deserts finding, and mountains discovering, exploring deep in space. Because Mars is often called the red planet, isn't it? When the night has come and the moon shines bright, reflecting down to earth our sun's great light, become a space explorer, Watch the stars in the sky and look out for satellites just slowly gliding by. Wow. I wonder if any of you have ever gone out to look at the stars. Sometimes they're really beautiful if it's a clear night. I wonder if you could find out what any of our star constellations are called and see if you could spot them in the night sky. To wrap up warm though, cold when there's no sun out. That's the end. Look there, bouncing around in space. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one about our lovely rocket zooming. What planet would you go to? Bye for now, Ash class.